Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
And Gabrielle, are you there to share about the workshops?
Can everyone hear me? No?
Yes, we can hear you, but we can't see your beautiful face.
Okay. The interesting thing is, it's already technical issues, but I'm solving them. The universe is with me. So I welcome you all. I'm going to be the moderator, the main moderator on the workshops. And I'm very excited because there's all up 15 and we have personal transformation. We have life discussions about life after loss. We have a total commitment to evolution of humanity through spiritual education. We have transformational speakers who will work around impact of speaking. We invite inspired writing and journaling. We have workshop around know your numbers, training your brain, how storytelling reveals who you are through genealogy. So it's an amazing range. And to keep going further, we have a quantum healing practitioner who will share about preparing for the new earth and the new consciousness. And that will include a meditation, I believe. So a whole range of things. Thriving on purpose in business, having creative skill sets in organizations, living a life in color even, and some singing, I believe, with a singer and voice coach. We also have some yoga nidra, mindfulness and breathwork practices coming up, talking about the quantum storyline, which inspires collaborative wisdom. And one of the speakers will enlighten us on how to courageously live a fully expressed life. So I'm super excited. Join on through the Eventbrite link on track 5. It's live, but it's also recorded at your pleasure. So I hope, I won't see you, but I hope you all link in. It's very exciting. Thank you.
Thank you very much.